We're not here just to build a dock that you can park your boat up to. We realize that you've invested in a dream property, and we want to bring the dream dock to you.
We are a custom dock builder, boat lift installer, and a seawall repair and installation company. We'll do anything from a 1,000-foot dock to a 10-foot dock extension.
We don't skip or cut corners. We are here to set the bar higher. We want to give you a top quality, top-notch dock that is built to last.
We service from West Palm Beach to Fort Lauderdale.
We own and operate our own barge. We're capable of doing as little as one piling to a full dock extension to a fully custom-built dock.
I got into the marine industry about 8 years ago. I like to think of myself as an expert, whether it be in boats, boat lifts, or docks.
I race jet skis professionally. I scuba dive on the weekends. If I could be on a boat every day, I would. Our guys that show up on a day-to-day basis to build and frame and deck the docks, they love what they do, and we're very passionate about the custom docks that we build. I see these docks. I want to show my friends and family that's something that I'm proud of. That's a dock that I built, and I want to bring that to you.
As soon as you make the phone call to us, we treat everybody the same and give the same dedication. A friend is a friend and a customer is a customer. If you guys are interested in having your dock or boat lift or seawall done, the Seaside team, we'd be happy to hear from you and love to talk to you.
Give us a call, visit our website, Seaside Marine Construction, and let's build the dock of your dreams.